What is it about fishing, mate?
I just love the peace and quiet and the nature, and yeah, it's just something about it.
When you come, are you just completely shut off? You ain't got to look at your phone, you ain't got to think about anything, you ain't even got to talk to anybody, have you?
That's it, mate. Just shut off from the world. Just relaxing. I love it.
Is that how you get your head right again? So no matter what's going on with football, with family, fishing time is just peace and quiet and reset?
That's it, mate. It's my getaway, and sometimes after a bad game, I like to go fishing just to, switch the phone off, not read too much, and then when I go back training, it's just a reset.